In video 1, we fixed your path. Now we know in order to make $50,000 per month, we just need 5 clients paying you $10,000 upfront, and that's how you are going to make tons of money in the starting. But no one is going to pay you $10,000 upfront if you are not a specialist in specific niche. And if you don't know what type of niche people you need to target, which have the purchasing power and have the high pain, they are never going to hand over $10,000 upfront for you. And most importantly, you can't charge $10,000 from a person who don't have $10,000 upfront. There are plenty of the people who are just making $3,000 to $5,000 and they can't pay you $10,000 upfront. So you need to understand the gap. You need to understand whom you need to target precisely in order to get that money. Most of you are shouting in a hurricane trying to get the money from the people who does not have that amount of money or they have max credit card. You're trying to help everyone as a general coach or a life coaching, and that's where you are going to start. In the world of business, generalness is just a commodity, and commodity is never going to make you make $10,000 per client, and this will make you broke. If you really need to understand that how you need to shift from a commodity to a person who have no competitor at all, because you're doing something special, you are providing something in a special wrapper that nobody is going to compete with you, nobody is able to copy with you. You know the mechanism, you know the things you're providing on the table. If you really want to hit 100K and $50,000 profit per month mark, you can't communicate with everyone. You can't communicate with the people who don't have that amount of money. You can't communicate with the people who don't have that amount of pain, and obviously they don't have that type of mindset. So you need to stop being a nice guy and you need to start being a specialist who actually knows what's happening in that market and actually knows what type of people really afford your solution and is looking for your solution. Because if you're trying to sell to the people who have the purchasing power but they are not looking for the solution, you are neither going to make money and you are going to disturb your schedule. You are going to waste a lot of efforts in the time of fun. So I'm dropping 14 videos masterclass where I'm helping you to hit your first 100K followers on Instagram and YouTube, 100K subscribers, and make your first $50,000 mark in next 6 months. If you watch all these 14 videos, these videos are alone enough to make your $50,000 profit per month. But if you missed any of the video in between, it is going to break the funnel, it is going to break the steps, and you are never going to make it, because a lot of knowledge is good, less knowledge is bad, and having little knowledge is the worst. So you need to have throughout the knowledge in order to never miss a video, never miss a sales funnel step. You need to subscribe my channel and watch out the complete video. So why 2026 is different? Everyone is saying coaching business is going to help you to make millions of dollars in your life, but in 2026 these are the only two segments people who are really succeeding in the business. Either you will be selling $20 courses to the people, or you will be selling $10,000 masterclass or the coaching program. There's no gap in between. If you are stuck in the middle, you are never going to make business. And let me write this thing down, you are going to quit your business in next 3 to 4 months. I saw in the 2026, I am shooting this video in the April month. It's been only 3 months and 60% of the audience already quitted that journey. If you look into my Instagram account, I posted more than 320 pieces of content, and just look at you, how many content pieces you are posting. Most people throughout the year post only 200 pieces of content. I just posted 320 plus pieces of content in last 3 months. That's the difference you need to understand. To charge $10,000, the clients need to be in super pain and they need to have purchasing power. If they are in pain and not have a purchasing power, you are going to waste your efforts to that person. But if they have the purchasing power, they don't have the pain, you are just doing a charity by communicating with them, by losing your efforts and the time. So you need to find a balance between, or you need to find an intersection between the people who have the severe pain, who have the severe issues, and they are in constant health, having exact purchase power you require for your services. So think about it. Why should I spend 16 hours a day on a brand working where I'm getting the people who are saying I don't have enough amount of money, I have max credit card, I can't pay for your services? What are the things you are saying are not relatable to me? I'm not going to work on a thing which are not going to reap me results, which is 100 grand profit per month. And neither you don't have to work on the same thing. That's why we are going to communicate about 4 different niches which have the purchasing power, which have the real super pain. If you can target them, if you can make them understand that that is the exact pain you are going through, and that is the exact pain you are going to feel throughout the journey when you're trying to make a change or when you are not trying to make a change. And when you make them understand, they are going to pay you a friend amount of money. So you need to target people who already have the purchasing power. Second, they are already in the super pain, and lastly, they are going to listen to you. And for this, you need to do multiple follows. But before that, when you allow or make a person save $20,000 a month or $30,000 a month, paying $10,000 to you is not such type of commodity thing. It's an investment they are making in order to save more than $100K over the course of next 5 months. So let's cut the bullshit. Let's talk about the 4 different industries which are going to pay you $10,000 upfront, so you will be making $50,000 profit every month. Thank you for being a part of this whole journey. If you really want to kick off your sales as well as business journey, and you are ready to take the next step to become a young millionaire or the first millionaire in your family, then subscribing will ensure you for your continuous learning and the right strategies, practical tips which will eventually kick off your business. So join us, a community of like-minded peoples as well as the folks who are nailing their journey. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on all notifications. Let me know what is the biggest challenge you are facing in your sales journey in the comment section right now. So coming to the first industry or the first niche, which is fitness professionals. I'm not talking about the people who are just charging $20, $35 for one session. I'm talking about the people who are making between $3,000 to $6,000 per month. And these are the exact people who already have good physique. These are the people who little bit know how to reach out to the people. And these are the people who are getting some amount of money, some amount of clients clients and they have 1 or 2 or you can say 5 to 6 testimonials of the video. But what exactly pain they have? They don't have the time for their family. They are working 16 hours a day on their fitness business. They are getting up early to train the clients in the gym, but clients are not showing up and their whole time when they get up early is wasted, which can be spent for their own workout or with their family. They don't have the time to go on a vacation for their family. They are just one injury away to go completely broke, because if they got any injury or any ACL tear, they will not be able to train 6 to 10 months. They will be completely on bed. They will be making zero money because their physique is literally hell right now and they are not able to project those things to their client. And if the client say that their physique is completely dull, they are never going to give them money for their transformation, because first they are going to look for the confidence in the things that person already achieved, and if his physique is distorted because of some injury, they are never going to make it. So you need to opt the first niche, which is fitness professionals, but you need to list out at least 20 to 30 pain points for that different niche, because the more points you have to discuss, the more pain points you have to showcase, the more money you are going to make. That's a simple scenario. If you have 1 or 2 pain points, you can charge $100-$200, but if you have 20 points to show that these are the problems you are going through or you will go through, they are going to pay you $3,000, $5,000, $10,000 upfront. Coming to the second niche which you need to focus, which is high ticket sales owners. These are the people who are making good amount of money. They are making between $10,000 to $50,000 profit per month, but they are completely stuck. Completely stuck means they're spending almost 10 to 12 hours on a call. Their throat is completely choked. At the end of the day, they don't have the energy. They don't have the energy to talk to their spouse or their son or their family members. They don't have the time to enjoy with their buddies, and they are just one situation away, one confidence or conviction away to literally lose a deal. I saw multiple closers. I saw multiple appointment setters who are doing crazy in the first month and they go completely broke in the second month because they are completely relying on the commission. If I start talking about this niche, I will be listing out 30 to 15 points easily, and I am charging $10,000 to solve their issues. That's the level of precision you need. By the way, if this is making sense and if you really understanding what are the exact gaps and what are the industry from which you can make a ton of money upfront, you need to subscribe this channel so you will not miss other 12 upcoming videos from algorithm straight away, and you keep learning, keep going. So coming to the third industry, which is personal brand strategists. These are the people who are super famous. They have 50,000 followers on Instagram, on YouTube. They have 50,000 subscribers, but these are the exact type of people who are completely invisible. I know you will be thinking, Pranshu, you just said they have plenty of followers and they are super famous. Yeah, but there's a difference. If you have 50,000 followers and you are just getting 10 to 50 likes, those followers are not watching your post. Those followers are not engaging with your post, and ultimately they are never going to become your client. So they are invisible. They are looking fashionable on Instagram and YouTube, but they are completely broke. If you look into their bank account, they are hardly making any money to pay for their rent or pay for their daily costs. So you need to make them realize how you are spending 16 hours a day to build something which is not going to stick with you further. You are spending a lot of time to the people to sharpen their Instagram or Facebook account, but they will be getting the results. You will be sidelined, because I was having a conversation with Mike in the last month. He is a really good personal brand strategist. He can literally position you as an expert in your industry within a year. I know you will be thinking, Pranshu, 1 year is a too much time. No, it is not. If you are trying to understand, you become expert or authority in the industry, you can make millions of dollars in months, not in years, in months. So 1 year is really short time. So when I was communicating with that person, he was really good at positioning, and he invested a lot of time for one person, one of his clients, to make them super successful. That influencer went from 10,000 followers to 50,000 followers over the course of 6.5 months. He was so happy that he made one client successful, and he was thinking that he will be getting a case study in the end. But what actually happened to that person? He suddenly got a mail when he was enjoying in a party with his family. He suddenly got a mail from that client, that influencer who he made successful through 50,000 followers, that thank you for your expertise, I want to cancel my subscription. And he literally cried on the call. He said, Pranshu, I did everything. I literally spend my every time which I can spend on my hobby for my family or with other clients. I spend all my time, efforts and energy to make that prospect successful. And what he did to me, he said he wants to cancel the subscription. He don't want to communicate with me. He just want to cancel everything because he think a small win is going to boom his career. And I completely said, I can literally understand your pain. And I made them understand what is the exact issue with Mike. And I sold him my coaching where I am helping him to build his personal brand first and get $50,000 profit every month over the course of 3 months. So that's a really long topic. I want to share the whole story here. So the point is, personal brand strategists are the person having a lot of severe issues, and if you can name 3 exact pain points, they are going to hand over $10,000 to you. Hey, quick pause. If this value resonates with you and you are eager to learn the secrets of sales success and business success, subscribing this channel will ensure you never miss out the strategies to change your life, to change the path of your business. Join the community of go-getters, transform your life, subscribe to my channel and turn on all notifications so you can achieve the sales transformation as well as the business transformation. Now coming to the last niche or last industry of this video, which is business operations. These are the exact people who are operating the funnels. These are the people who are doing a lot of operations in the back end of the business, but these are the people who are more into the tech support, more in the technical things rather than in the client conversation. And we both know, if you're not doing a client conversation, if you're not communicating with the people, they are never going to hand over the money to you. Maybe you are super in the tech, maybe you can put a lot of results on the table, but if you can't communicate, if you can't project project those things to that people, they are never going to pay you $10,000 upfront. So just like I said earlier to you, I can list out 30 to 50 pain points to all those 4 categories because I'm the one who is working in those 4 categories and helping people to grow. So these are the exact industry which are literally in super pain and can pay you $10,000, $20,000 profit per client easily. And let me tell you about me a little bit. I was charging $200 back in 2020 to help people on social media management. I scaled my offer to $1,000 in 2024, and back in 2025 I was charging $3,000. In the last months of year I started charging $5,000. Now I am charging $10,000 per client, and I know by the end of the current year I will be charging $20,000 per client. So this is the kind of earning you can have by just being more precise to the industry who are in super pain, who have the purchasing power for your product or services. And if you are losing that thing, if you are not focusing on things, my man, what actually you are doing to your business. So coming to the last phase of this video, we already understood what industry people you need to work with, but now you were thinking, Pranshu, why just these 4 niches? Why not more 3 or 4 niches of 5 or 10 industries? Because these are the exact set of people who completely understand the ROI if you are able to make them see the super pain they are going through. Let me share this thing with you. If you are coaching a librarian about the mindset, maybe they will not think how this is going to help them to make more money. But if you are teaching the same thing to a high ticket sales coach or any high ticket coach, they will completely understand what you are talking about, and they suddenly get $sign in their mind that they will be making $50,000 profit per month, something like that. So it's completely depend on which set of people you are communicating and how much you are generating. Welcome, future sales master. Imagine you are waking every day knowing that you have the skill set to close any deal as well as the mindset to achieve the financial freedom. If you really want to become a sales expert, you need to hit the subscribe button, join the community of like-minded achievers so you can be pushed to your true potential and you can literally achieve the financial freedom in your life. So hit the subscribe button now and turn on all notifications. Coming back to the video. So the biggest fear I usually see most people when I talk about the super precision, that they think if I talk with super precision with the people, I will not be getting clients. But let me tell you this thing straight. If you're talking to everyone, you are speaking to no one. But if you're talking to specific people, you will also grow your money, you will also get clients, you will also get case studies, and you will really become a successful entrepreneur. I don't want to talk about any other person because there are plenty of examples I can give you. Let me talk to you about myself. I was a person who growed a page up to 50,000 followers in 2019. I lost that page and I was just earning $200 per coaching per client. But now in 2026, I just had 300 something followers on my Instagram in 26, I guess, and I'm making $50,000 profit every month by just having 300 followers. Look at you. Maybe you have 1,000 followers, 10,000 followers. That's the gap. If you are targeting super precisely, it doesn't matter how many followers and the subscribers you have. If you know how to communicate with preciseness, you can make tons of shits of money. And let me tell you this thing straight. I was not sharing this thing, but in 2026, by the end of 2026, I will be sitting at 1 lakh followers on Instagram, 1 lakh subscribers on YouTube, and lastly, I will be making $1 lakh per month easily. So if you really want to be a part of this journey and really want to make $50,000 profit in next 3 months using my videos, subscribe to my channel now, like this video, and let me know what industry you are going to pick right away. So I will be understanding you got the knowledge. Now you will be focusing on the things. Coming to the last part of this video, I will not let you go by just listening to me. I need to tell you that you need to do 2 things right now. First, pick one industry which you want to target, which you are confident about. And second thing, you need to write down 10 pain points. Do the research, do the Google, watch our videos, write down 10 super pain points they are going through. Just paste that pain points in the chat section so I can understand you really know what are the problems they are going through. If something was wrong, I will correct it by commenting on your comment, and this will help you to really make a successful business. But now we talked about the industry you need to work in. But if you really don't know the math behind how to really make $50,000 profit per month, how many clients you need, how to target them, everything. If you really don't know how to make $50,000 profit per month, you are doing shit business and you will completely go broke in next 6 months because people like me, maniac like me, are going to take over your business. If you really want to understand the math, how to hit your first $50,000 profit per month, not $10,000, not $20,000, $50,000 profit per month, you need to watch out this video right now.